Hello everyone, so welcome to the last question of this exercise 22A. अब इस question में क्या कह रहा है, एक vertical cliff है. So let's draw a vertical cliff. ये एक vertical cliff है, यहाँ पे खड़ा है एक आदमी. So cliff will be like this, no? हाँ. And this is a water body only, you can understand this particular base. Okay. So from top of a cliff from here, which is of 92 meter. This is 92 meter. The angle of depression of a buoy. Now what is this buoy? That same life buoy. So this buoy means like some floating object will be there in the seas and all to warn what? Ships and all. That like ahead this shallow area is there, like water is not, like depth is not there, so maybe your ship and all get stuck over there. So this thing, the angle of depression means that person is seeing this one. So from the line of sight we always, हम हमेशा निकालते हैं angle of depression. So this angle of depression is 20 degree is given. So they're asking find the distance of buoy from the foot of the cliff. From foot of the cliff मतलब कि यहाँ से ये distance कितना है. So let's say this is A, this is B and this is C. So because ये दोनों parallel है, ये if this line of sight is parallel to ground, so alternate interior की वजह से ये भी 20 होगा. So this will be perpendicular and this which we have to find is the base. So here we will write let the distance, we can write BC also, we'll write here let the distance of the buoy from foot of cliff is equals to x meter. Correct. So therefore in triangle and given RB है, height of cliff 92 meter and angle of depression 20 degree. So therefore in triangle ABC, AB by BC, perpendicular by base is again tan 20 degree. Now AB we know it's 20, so BC is equals to AB by tan 20. Correct. ये यहाँ नीचे आएगा और ये यहाँ ऊपर जाएगा, so it will become AB by tan 20. So BC will be equals to AB है 92 by tan 20 degree value, which is how much? As per the book it is 0.3640. So BC is equals to 92 by 0.3640. अब यहाँ करेंगे divide like in one of the question. So आओ करके देखते हैं. So you need to multiply it with what? Same 10,000 or 1,000. Let's multiply it with 1,000 only, because after that 1 0 is there. So it will become 92,000 364 is here, right? So let's start. 2s are. So 2s are, it will become 4 2s are 8, 6 2s are 12, 1 7 28. Subtract 2 and then 11 minus 2 9 1 192. 1 0 will come. 6. So here 5s are. Why we are not taking 6 are? Because 6 into 300 will come 1800, but 64 is there. That ये 64 को अगर फिर हम multiply करेंगे 6 से, so it will become 300 something, and 1800 plus 300 will go 2100. So that's why 5 times we are taking. So 5 4s are 20, 2 carry 32, 2 3 carry 15 और 3 means 15 plus 3 18 20. So we got 100 again 1. अब यहाँ पे 3 बार अगर अभी भी 3 बार लेंगे तो it will be bigger than that. Correct. So we'll take 2, so it will become again 728. तो subtract करेंगे तो ये कितना हो जाएगा 72 and 200 272. Point will take 1 0 and then 9 3s are 27, but 64 is also there, so we'll take 8s are 8 3s are 24 and 8 6 are 48. 23 plus 24 will be bigger than that. So we'll take 7s are 7 4s are 28, 2, then 42 plus 2 44, 4 carry, 21 plus 4 25. We'll subtract. How much you will get? We'll get 2 7 1 172. So no need to do further. So it is 252.7 meter is the answer. But here what they're saying, the nearest meter. So nearest meter is 253 meter. So I hope समझ में आया. This division you have to do. और आइडिया कैसे लेते हैं, जैसे मैंने बताया कि यहाँ पे जब ये आया 2710, now you 364, so you separate it in two parts, 364. If you will multiply this with 9, so 9 or 8, चलो 8 3s will make 24, and 64 into 8 will make 480 something. So if you'll add these, so it'll go around 2800 or more than that, and here it is 27. So like this you have to take an idea, वरना फिर मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, चेक करोगे नहीं है तो उससे छोटा फिर मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, so it'll take a lot of time. Okay, so I hope all of you understood this one. I'll just erase this part, and if you liked it, please do like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And अगर कहीं पे कोई doubt है, ask me. I'll make a video. I'll show you guys again. I'll teach you properly in more detailed manner. And if you want this PDF, now this exercise is over. So if you see, whole question I've solved. So if you want this PDF also, you can just drop a comment with your email ID. I will share this PDF in your email. Okay, till then, or your WhatsApp number also you can drop. I'll send you on WhatsApp as a PDF which you will be able to use. And while watching my video dekhte samay, you can take it as a reference also. So see you guys in the next exercise. Till then, take care. Bye bye.